Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you today?
I am very well.
How was your day?
My day is good.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it here.
Is the weather nice today?
Yes, it is sunny today.
Are you busy today?
No, I am not busy.
What are you doing now?
I am practicing English.
That's great.
Thank you.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
What sport do you like?
I like football.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every day.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I wake up early on weekdays.
What do you do when you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth.
What do you do after that?
Then I take a shower.
What do you do after your shower?
I get dressed for work.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee and water.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 8 o'clock.
What do you do at work?
I work on a computer.
What do you do after work?
I go home.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and watch TV.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
What is your job?
I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I like studying.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have children?
No, I do not have children.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like my city.
Is your city big?
Yes, it is a big city.
Do you like food?
Yes, I like food.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you eat lunch at home?
No, I eat lunch at work.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit.
What do you drink?
I drink water and juice.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat soup and bread.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am hungry.
Hello, how is the weather today?
Hello, it is sunny and warm.
That's nice. Is it usually like this in January?
No, usually it is cold in January.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I like it very much.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, but not too much.
Tomorrow it will probably rain.
Oh, I will take my umbrella then.
Where are you now?
I am at home.
Do you go to work every day?
Yes, I go to work every day.
Where's the school?
The school is near my house.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park.
Where do you buy food?
I buy food at the supermarket.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like my city.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who is in your family?
My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Do you have a brother?
No, I do not have a brother.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have 1 sister.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
What does your father do?
He works in an office.
What does your mother do?
She stays at home.
Do you help your family?
Yes, I help my family.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I am looking for the train station.
Oh, it's not far from here.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Yes. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right.
After I turn right, then what?
Walk straight for about 5 minutes. You will see the station on your left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about 10 minutes walking.
Thank you. Is there a bus to the station?
Yes, bus number 5 goes there.
Where can I catch the bus?
The bus stop is next to the supermarket.
How much is the ticket?
$2.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Excuse me, where is the ticket counter?
It's over there, near the main entrance.
Thank you. How much is a ticket to London?
It is $50.
Is it one way or round trip?
That is a one-way ticket.
When is the next train?
The next train leaves at 3:30 p.m.
How long does the journey take?
About 2 hours.
Can I buy snacks on the train?
Yes, there is a cafeteria car.
Where is platform number 5?
Go straight and turn left. It is at the end of the hall.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I am looking for a new shirt.
What color do you like?
I like a blue shirt.
What size do you wear?
I wear medium.
Here is a medium blue shirt.
How much is it?
It is $25.
Okay, I will buy it.
Do you want to pay by cash or card?
I will pay by card.
Here's your receipt and shirt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
What day is it today?
It is Monday.
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
What time is it now?
It is 10 o'clock.
What time do you work?
I work from 9 to 5.
Do you work on Sunday?
No, I do not.
Do you rest on the weekend?
Yes, I rest on the weekend.
What do you do on Saturday?
I stay at home.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Where do you study?
I study at a school.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study every day.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a job.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
What do you do at work?
I use a computer.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English to speak better.
Do you like shopping? Yes, I like shopping. Where do you go shopping? I go to the supermarket. What do you buy there? I buy food. Do you buy clothes? Yes, I buy clothes. How much is this shirt? It is $10. Is it expensive? No, it is cheap. Do you pay with cash? Yes, I pay with cash. Do you like this shop? Yes, I like this shop.